what advice would you have for somebody that was thinking of coming to UniSQ?
Just come. well, if you expect support, environment, both, mental or health or studying, University of Southern Queensland is the place where you can find those things.
How good is this?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Hey Siri, it's so good to meet you here at USQ Toowoomba. Tell me about where you're from and how you ended up here in Toowoomba.
Right, so my name is Siri, like iPhone or iPad, what it is, and I'm from Thailand. And how I end up here, so I worked in Thailand for 7 years, and I would like to try something new or something challenge to develop my career path. So I did the research and I watched your video as well.
Oh, is that right?
And yeah, exactly. I remember that hat, And yes, so I chose here because there was a scholarship and the facility, and also the main campus here in Toowoomba is not far from main cities. So yeah, and everything is all I need here. That's why I chose University of Southern Queensland.
Wonderful. What are you studying?
I studied a master degree of mechanical engineering.
Oh, awesome.
Yep.
Great. Tell me more. So like engineering, for those people who don't know, engineering has so many sub-disciplines.
Right.
Fascinating. So what have you studied?
So, well, actually, I would say engineering, we do have like almost the same foundation, of knowledge in engineering, but it's quite different when it comes to, for example, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, or mechatronics engineering. For me, mechanical engineering is about, there's a lot of career path that you can go with. But yeah, for me, my choice, I would like to go with something about like research and development in the future.
Nice.
Yeah.
And so USQ has some really interesting specialisations too. Have you gotten into some of those while you've been here doing your mech eng? The space stuff is really, really important here. Obviously, aviation is taught here, but there are some other specialisations as well.
Yeah, like mechatronics, or you don't see many mechatronics in another university, but yeah, I find mechatronics pretty interesting, and there's something about like robotics and AI and drone that they teach you as well in engineering discipline.
That is so cutting edge, isn't it? And so for you now, you've finished your masters. What are you thinking to go and work in?
Well, I got offered to do doctorate degree.
Wow, awesome.
Yeah, doctorate degree. I mean,
here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very cool.
Yeah, full scholarship and also plus stipend.
Congratulations, that's huge news.
Yeah.
And so what's it been like living in Toowoomba? Sorry, let me back up one step. So where in Thailand were you from?
Bangkok.
Are you from? From Bangkok?
Bangkok, yeah.
Big change to come to Toowoomba.
Yeah, kind of.
Tell me what it was like to adapt.
So I would say Toowoomba is quieter, but that is good. That's good for study. Although it's quiet, but they're all like facilities. You have like big shopping mall in the city. You have everything you need here. And I think it's very good environment for studying because you can be in a quiet, your own space while you study. And also if you would like to hang out with your friends, there are like shopping mall or, clubs where you can, hang out with your friends.
And Toowoomba is Australia's second largest inland city. There's a lot here. I just love it. I love the drive. I flew into Brisbane this morning and drove out here going through the Lockyer Valley. And when you get out into country Australia, it's just a different pace of life.
It is.
People smile at you, which doesn't always happen in the cities. It just feels a lot more warm and friendly.
Yeah, sometimes I drive out, during the weekend, I drive around, the cities, around Toowoomba, just to see like how it's like, outside Toowoomba. And it's totally different from the city life and in the outback as well. But I find it interesting every time when I drive out and see, new people, new landscape, new location.
So tell me what people could expect from living in Toowoomba.
Well, friendly people, of course, and very like I would say diversity, because we have like students from different parts of the world, and yeah, you can feel like home when you stay here.
I think Australia is so fortunate because we obviously have a lot of big universities in the cities, and they tend to be the sort of famous, really well-known ones. But then outside that, in the regional areas, we have these amazing institutions like UniSQ, Charles Sturt down in New South Wales, Charles Darwin up in Darwin. Like, these are very different institutions, but they really understand their communities.
Right.
And they service their communities too. So they become very importantly part of the communities. For you, what's it been like here on campus? What's the student vibe like?
Well, the same. I think the university really supports, the diversity and different communities. I just joined Holy Festival.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, supported by university just to see that it was my first time that I joined Holy Festival, and I get to know new people and new students around the university. And yeah, who knows, they might end up in the same class, or when you have the same subject to study as well.
Nice. And tell me about the process of, for example, finding accommodation to live here in Toowoomba. What's that been like?
Well, I applied through university to stay at the residential college, which it was my ideal accommodation so that I get to know people, who might go to the same class as me. And I got a very, very nice, very good support from staff here to get accommodation.
What advice would you have for somebody that was thinking of coming to UniSQ?
Just come. Well, if you expect support, environment, both, mental or health or studying, University of Southern Queensland is the place where you can find those things.
Fantastic. Siri, it's been great to chat with you. Is there anything else? I'm sorry we've got such a short amount of time together. I love to kind of go deep on these interviews. Is there anything else that you'd like to throw in about your experience studying here?
Well, at first, it was a very big challenge for me, although I worked for 7 years in Thailand, but being a student again is totally different. Something was out of control, but, I try to focus and I seek for support from university, which they really give me a good advice. And I learned from that and I adapt the advice to my lifestyle and my study style. And that really worked out. I saw my improvements along the journey for study. Yeah.
And do you know what your research question is yet for your PhD?
I do.
Tell me.
I do. It's actually about advance in manufacturing of filament whiting.
Cool.
And we're going to use that piece in marine infrastructure.
Huh.
Yes, it just started.
That's so good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you. Awesome. Thanks, Siri.